Modern enterprises rarely adopt platforms without a clear understanding of where they deliver measurable value. MuleSoft is no exception. Its strengths become most visible when applied to real integration challenges that organizations face as they scale, modernize, and adopt cloud services. MuleSoft use cases are not theoretical patterns. They are practical solutions to long-standing problems in enterprise technology. Welcome to Topictrick, your destination for clear, structured explanations of complex subjects. Now, coming back to the topic. At its core, MuleSoft is designed to solve application integration problems. Most enterprises operate a mix of custom-built applications, packaged software, and third-party services. These systems must exchange data reliably and in near real time. Without a structured integration layer, teams often build direct connections using custom code. Over time, these connections become fragile, tightly coupled, and expensive to maintain. MuleSoft addresses application integration by acting as an abstraction layer between systems. Instead of applications talking directly to each other, they communicate through APIs and integration flows. Mule applications handle protocol translation, data transformation, routing, validation, and error handling. This decoupling allows systems to evolve independently while maintaining stable interfaces. In production environments, this approach significantly improves reliability. If a back-end system is slow or temporarily unavailable, Mule flows can implement retries, circuit breakers, or asynchronous processing. This prevents failures from cascading across the enterprise. Monitoring and logging provide visibility into integration behavior, making it easier to diagnose issues and optimize performance. One of the most common use cases for MuleSoft is connecting software as a service platforms. Enterprises increasingly rely on cloud-based applications for customer relationship management, human resources, finance, and marketing. These platforms expose APIs, but each uses different data models, authentication mechanisms, and rate limits. Managing these differences manually does not scale. MuleSoft provides pre-built connectors for many popular software-as-a-service platforms. These connectors encapsulate authentication, connection management, and common operations. This allows developers to focus on business logic rather than low-level integration details. For example, integrating a customer relationship management system with a marketing automation platform may involve mapping customer records, handling pagination, and respecting rate limits. MuleSoft handles much of this complexity out of the box. In real-world scenarios, software-as-a-service connectivity often involves orchestration. A single business event, such as a new customer registration, may require updates across multiple platforms. MuleSoft Process APIs can coordinate these interactions, enforce transactional consistency where possible, and implement compensating actions when failures occur. This level of orchestration is difficult to achieve with simple point-to-point integrations. Another major use case is legacy system modernization. Many enterprises still depend on mainframes, monolithic applications, or proprietary systems that were never designed for modern digital channels. Replacing these systems is expensive, risky, and often unnecessary. The challenge is exposing their functionality in a controlled and reusable way. MuleSoft enables legacy modernization by wrapping existing systems with APIs. System APIs expose legacy capabilities without requiring changes to the underlying system. These APIs can translate modern protocols like Hypertext Transfer Protocol and JavaScript Object Notation into formats understood by legacy platforms. This allows new applications to interact with old systems as if they were modern services. Over time, this approach supports incremental modernization. As legacy components are refactored or refactored, the APIs remain stable. Downstream consumers do not need to change. This reduces risk and allows modernization to proceed in phases rather than as a single large transformation. Legacy modernization also benefits from MuleSoft governance and security features. Access to sensitive systems can be controlled centrally. Traffic can be limited to protect systems that were never designed for high concurrency, and monitoring provides insight into usage patterns, helping teams prioritize modernization efforts based on actual demand. Across all these use cases, a common theme emerges. MuleSoft is most effective when used as a strategic integration platform, rather than a collection of isolated integrations. Its API-led connectivity model promotes reuse, consistency, and long-term maintainability. Integration logic becomes a shared asset, not a hidden implementation detail. In summary, MuleSoft use cases center on solving real enterprise integration challenges. It simplifies application integration by decoupling systems and improving reliability. It accelerates software as a service connectivity by providing standardized connectors and orchestration capabilities. It enables legacy modernization by exposing existing systems through stable APIs. Together, these use cases illustrate how MuleSoft supports scalable, resilient, and future-ready enterprise architectures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Topictrick YouTube family.